song is called Buckle Up, and if you ever think that life is getting to be too much, just put some love in your heart and buckle up for the ride. I've got a tight heart, walking the line. Not sure how I feel about life at the time. It'd be easy to give up, just throw in the towel. What's the use of caring anymore anyhow? Oh, 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 oh. But it's dangerous to think this, my friend, 'cause all of your effort meant something in the end. Even if a little is all you can give, a little makes a difference, it makes you wanna live. Oh, 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 oh. So I'm choosing to live, 'cause I've got love to give, and that's right. And if all I can do is give a little to you, that's the prize. So I don't hang my head, I get right out of bed, try to greet the morning with a smile instead. Don't let your shadow overshadow you. You've got a place in this world, yes you do. You've got a place in this world, yes you do. I took a chance on a passion just to see what would happen. Smiling and dancing and singing and laughing. Risk the uncomfort, get out your zone. There's a world of opportunity, now go get your own. Well, there's a world of opportunity, now go get your own. But we don't know unless we try. I found a little more each time. So I'm choosing to live, 'cause I've got love to give, and that's right. And if all I can do is give a little to you, that's the prize. 'Cause it ain't about what you get from the other. Life's about giving love to one another. I've got a tight heart, walking the line. I feel a bit better about life at the time. If there's one piece of advice I'd ask you to try, put love in your heart, buckle up for the ride.